so I'm relatively new to Drupal. I'm kind of a WordPress groupie, but I'm trying to learn Drupal. So I'm running into this problem. I installed this instance of Drupal and I started getting spam, just like you kind of do in WordPress. I was getting about 10 to 15 emails that look like this every single day. And it has some weird username and automated username, and then saying that they applied for pending admin approval, that they applied for an account. So how I figured out how to fix this, and it's not where you think it would be, because you think it'd be under people. It's under different people. So what you want to do is you want to go to configuration, wait for it to load, go to account settings under this people, and then scroll on down to right here. Now I've already changed it, but it was on this under visitors, but administration approval is required, registration and cancellation. So you put it to administrators only, then no one can sign up, so you won't get the email. So that's the way you stop it right away. And of course you can mess with the other indicators here to try to make it a little more difficult. And I think there's also modules out there that you can install as well, although I don't know of any. You'd have to go to drupal.org to do a quick search to find them. But that's it, and then just come down and hit save configuration, and that's it, and it stopped them immediately. But I just want to do a video on this because it made me trip, so I wanted to try and keep other people from running into the same problem. So that's it for me for today. So if you guys found this useful, I would hope that you would like and subscribe and help me grow my channel. That's a great way to pay it back. And that, I hope I see you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye.